Sleek design. Rounded corners and clear glass canopy allow viewing from multiple angles. Daylight, moonlight lighting. Bright white LEDs create a shimmering sunlight effect. Blue LEDs produce a moonlit glow. Easy access. Hinged LED lighting and sliding glass canopy. Size. 5-gallon aquarium fits Marineland Rite-Size Z filter cartridges. Hidden filtration. Advanced, 3-stage filtration is out of sight, enhancing aquarium viewing. The Marineland 5-gallon portrait kit is a 5-gallon curved glass aquarium. The kit includes Marineland's 3-stage hidden filtration with a Rite-Size Z cartridge, Marineland Bio-Foam, and an adjustable flow filter pump. The bright white and blue energy-efficient LED light is hinged for easy access to the tank, and features a 3-way switch to toggle between white and blue, off, and blue-only settings. The white LEDs create a shimmering light in the water that mimic the underwater effect of sunlight, and the blue LEDs produce a relaxing moonlight glow. Also included is a base and a unique glass canopy that slides to the back of the aquarium for easy feeding and water care dosing. This easy-to-assemble kit is beautifully designed and easy to maintain.